Hi, so what I'm doing now is printing out this image that I created. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sublimate this. It's actually going to be wrapping paper that I'm going to make. So right there, as you can see, it is printing out. And I need to do a printer alignment clean, as you can see. But that's okay. So this is just for tutorial purposes. So I have the workforce 7210. Okay. So this is a 13 by 19 sheet of paper that I'm using. I'm trying to load the next sheet in here real quick. So I'm gonna use two. So I'm gonna make my wrapping paper 27 inches long. So if you add 13 plus 13, that gives you 27. So that's how I came up with 27 inches. So it's gonna be 27 by 19. Okay. All right. So now I'll be back to show you the next step after I'm printing. Let me get the supplies ready. Okay, so this is the wrapping paper that I bought that I'm going to use to create my wrapping paper with. And then I already prepped it. So what I did was I just simply cut out with my scissors. I need to get something better than scissors, but do it old school. And I already prepped it. I just put my tape my sublimation down, paper down, as you can see, um, onto my wrapping paper, and that's all I did. Um, you know how that. If anybody that does sublimation know how to, they already know how to attach stuff with heat tape. So I use some heat tape and I prep. So now what I have to do,
Mom,
huh?
can I get the tablet?
Okay.
I can show his tablet.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Show me.
Hold on, babe. Sorry about that. Huh? Okay, so now I have my wrapping paper on my heat press. I got my parchment paper down. And I'm just going to take another sheet of parchment paper. Okay. And put it on here. And I got one side on, the other side just hanging so far. So, alright, so, and I have, uh, keep it up there. Alright. Uh-oh, it fell. I'm going to have to tape that back up there. Okay. So, as you can see, it fell off. I didn't have enough tape on it. See? I just gotta, so I'm just not gonna worry about that part right now. I get it later. But I'm gonna sub this part right now. Alright, so I got my temperature set for 385 for 60 seconds. And just keep falling off too, parchment paper. Maybe because I got it so long. Hold on, babe. I'm just waiting on it to finish. And I have it for what was that, 385 for 60 seconds. Finishes, um, I'll do the next side, but I have to fix it. You want to do just one 13 by 19 or 11 by 17 or 8.5 by 11, you can do that, but I wanted my wrap paper to be a little bit longer so I could at least wrap a medium sized box. Small to medium size. Okay, and it's finished. So let's move it. And do the next side, which is, I'm gonna slide this over. Just slide it over. I'm gonna do the next part. You can do a sneak peek. It moved a little bit, as you can see. So it moved in the middle. It ghosted or something. I don't know what happened. But you can see that it's clearly sub. And I think what happened was getting distracted with my son calling me. That it moved a little, so it's okay. Alright, so I'm gonna do the next side. And maybe it needs some more pressure to it. That could be it too. So I'm just gonna adjust my pressure some more. And we can do the next side. Now I think I got too much pressure now. That's okay. Alright. We'll just wait on it. But again, this is just for tutorial purposes. I don't even know who this picture of this person is. I just picked the person. To show you that you can sub on your own wrapping paper. Got it on a little bit more heavier pressure than I had at first. It was hard to pull it down. I think I got too heavy of a pressure this time. And it's almost done. And it was at 385. I don't know why it went down. Okay. And it might be helpful if I just tape it down better. There we go. So with practice, I could get better. I just knew that I could do it because I was thinking about it, and I was like, I want to see if I can make this and everything. As you can see, I messed up a little bit, but that's cool. That's okay. I didn't have my paper pulled all the way. I didn't have it pulled close enough to like right here, but that's fine. This is not going to anybody or anything, but next time I know to, you know, position it better and to put more, position it better, I should say. Alright, so I'm going to wrap my box that I have. I did heavy pressure on this one. And then this one was kind of not heavy pressure. This was kind of like light pressure. So this is heavy. This is light. So you see the difference? Okay. So you want heavy pressure or medium pressure. Alright, so I have a box that I'm going to wrap for you guys. Also, I'm going in the next video, I'm going to tell you how to sub your own box. This is Sublimated as well. And it's just a box I got off of Amazon. I think these are called cake boxes. Okay, and I'm gonna wrap this box with this. So just I'm trying to hold my phone here and put this box in. I'll be right back. Back now. I was assembling the box to get it more squares, but this is how big the box will be, essentially. That I'm going to use to wrap the sides that I have. And you can put a lot of stuff in this big box right here. It's a cake box. Okay. Again, I'm going to do a tutorial on this. But for right now, I'm just using this as an example. Not too You know, it's a medium size, fairly decent size box, medium size. For the size paper that I sublimated for the wrapping paper. Alright, so now all I'm gonna do is wrap my box up and see, so you can see how good, how big this is to fit this box. You know, and then you can use this to wrap smaller pieces too, if you don't have, you know, smaller boxes. And if you want anything bigger, you know, do more sheets. So as you can see, it'll fit. So like, you know, it fits. So if you want to do like smaller, bigger size, just add more sheets. You know, I'm gonna put that. Sorry about that. I'm gonna take this down. Okay. And this is some nice wrapping paper. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna come back and try to wrap this. It's kind of hard to hold the phone and try to wrap this, so I can show you. Wrapped up the box. It's all wrapped up. It's not wrapped up perfect, but it's wrapped up, as you can see. Your own wrapping paper, customized, and go an extra mile. Another step would be to make your own custom tag to add to it, gift tag to attach to it as well. You know, say something like enjoy your gift, or you know, I love you, something, whatever you want to put on it. And some ribbon, some cute ribbon, and that's a wrap. That's it. Sublimating your own um, wrapping paper. So as you can see, the mistakes I made, I'm glad I did this video. Make sure your alignment is great, so it could get closer to, it won't mess up this part. My alignment was not that great. And maybe because it probably it was at first, but when it fell off, I just slid it over, put on the heat press, and then adjust it accordingly. Um, this was like light pressure, and this is like heavy pressure. So as you can see, heavy pressure, medium pressure probably would do better as well. So light versus heavy. All right. And this paper is super thick. Good wrapping paper. It was tough to wrap this paper. It was really good. Good quality paper. Okay? Thank you guys for watching.